Morning, engine carbon clean. Yeah, ignore me, look at the car. Jaguar XJS, 1991. Beautiful. This one's been sat for about 10 years doing absolutely nothing apart from the occasional start, the occasional MOT. Someone's just bought it, we're with him today, getting it cleaned up. It has failed its MOT on emissions, this one, and I think there's one other issue on the MOT. Apart from that, just need to get it through the emissions on the MOT. A lot of bass noise in this engine when we got to it, a lot of rumble, a lot of boom out of that exhaust, shaking quite violently. We're about just 12 minutes into the clean now, and that engine's really settled down. Lovely vehicle this, absolutely beautiful, really good condition. But that engine has really smoothed out now. Still a bit of shape to it, but yeah, beautiful piece of equipment this. Lovely shape to this car. Already smoothing out and quietening down. Hopefully we can get this through the emissions on the MOT. If it doesn't, I guess next steps are going to be looking at CAT, and then through a whole host of different bits and pieces. But as a starting point, it's great to get to it and get it cleaned up, hopefully squeak it through. Lovely and quiet now, really smoothed out. But yeah, great piece of engineering this, 1991, lovely straight six in this. Beautiful vehicle, nice find.